Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the random order generator tool to sort items or things randomly from a list. So it's a free tool that we have built and you can access it by going to the URL randomordergenerator.com. I will also link it in the description below. And as you can see, it's a really simple tool. By the way, we also have a draft order generator, a number order generator, but we have this basic random order generator as well, and I'm going to show you how to use this. So you can add things here or items here. So let's add some name now, and you can add them in a new line or you can add them separated by a comma. And once you have added the things or the names or the items you want to sort randomly, all you have to do is click on the randomize button here. And as you can see, instead of the original order, we get a random order in this list. And if we want to randomize once again, just click on the randomize button and you have a random order. And you can also copy the results and use them any way you want. This is an absolutely free tool. If you want to support the development, you can also buy us a coffee. I will add the link to that in the page, but all in all, this is how you can use the random order generator tool to sort items randomly from a list.